Starting off with 4 spoonfuls of cultured coconut yogurt, unsweetened, unflavored. Good fats. It's a fermented product, so it has good probiotics. After that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. This is really good for fiber, antioxidants, and also protein. 2 tablespoons has about 5 grams of protein. Also a good source of omegas. And now I'm adding cacao powder. I'm going to do about 3 tablespoons of this. This stuff provides a really rich chocolatey flavor. It's got fiber, protein, antioxidants. It's packed full of stuff, really good. And now I'm adding colostrum. To my knowledge, all mammals produce colostrum for 1 to 2 weeks after birth to aid with their offspring, and it's a bit of a natural superfood, really good stuff. And next up, I'm adding monk fruit extract. This is pure. This is really good stuff, very sweet. Monk fruit is the only sweetener that I've found that does not feed negative bacteria within the digestion tract, and also doesn't spike blood sugar, and still has a great flavor and sweetness to it. I'm adding about 3/4 of a teaspoon. And next up is pea protein. I'll be adding 1/3 of a cup to it, which equates to just under 27 grams of protein. This stuff has 5 grams of protein per tablespoon, and it's got a very neutral taste. So it could go with something sweet or savory. Next up is coconut milk powder. This stuff tastes really good. There's something with the fats in this style of coconut that's healthy, something with MCT oils, maybe something for you to look up. But it tastes really good. It's a good addition to this smoothie, offers more volume, more nutrients. And next up is a little splash of vanilla extract. Boop. Couple smacks of cinnamon, and then I'm adding cold reverse osmosis water, and then a big dollop of organic single ingredient peanut butter. And that's it for the ingredients. Time to get it blended up. And there we are. I'm in my trailer. This is really good. It's so tasty. A lot of times when I drink it, I'll drink it about halfway down and then fill it up with more water, more cacao, more monk fruit powder. So there's more to enjoy. I reckon I'm gonna end it here. Insert catchy saying to end the video.